Hello kids, welcome in English class. Today we will do part 5 of exercise at page 10. We will read the word related to the sound th, the sound. th मिलके दो sound create कर दे है, th and the. All these words have the sound. Keda sound? The sound. Let's start. th. The. The. th. The. is. ਇਹਨੂੰ is ਨੂੰ is ਨਹੀਂ pronounce ਕਰਨਾ. thi the. z. This. ਕੀ pronounce ਕਰਨਾ? This. Next है th the, at, that, that. Next है th the, en, the, en, then. then, then. Next है wi, th the, the. wiv, th the, with. Next है cloth, clo, th the, cloth. Next है rhyming words, easy words. o t h, o e r, o the r, other, o the r, other. m th the er, mother. की pronounce करना? mother. Next है ra, th the er, rather. Next है father, fa, th the er, father. Next है brother, bro, th the er, brother. ये सारे वर्ड सन th the sound create ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ बुक तो बार बार इसनू रिपीट करना, प्रैक्टिस करना. बाय बाय.